Ever wondered if your bank account is actually working for you, or if you're just working for your bank? As a solopreneur, every dollar, every minute, and every ounce of mental energy you expend matters. You're the CEO, the marketing department, the sales team, and the coffee maker, all rolled into one. So, when it comes to managing your business finances, are you still stuck in the dark ages of traditional banking, wrestling with confusing statements, hidden fees, and a single, messy account that makes tax season a nightmare? If that resonates, then pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and let's talk about a game changer for solopreneurs, Relay Bank. This isn't just another online bank, it's a financial operating system designed to give you clarity, control, and ultimately, more time back to actually run your business. For years, the financial landscape for small businesses, especially solopreneurs, was a desert. Traditional banks, built for corporate giants, offered complex fee structures, frustratingly slow processes, and a complete lack of understanding for the unique needs of a one-person show. You'd open a single business checking account, and suddenly all your income, expenses, taxes, and personal draws were mashed together in a financial blender. Trying to make sense of it all at month end, let alone tax time, felt like deciphering ancient hieroglyphs. This financial chaos isn't just an inconvenience, it's a drain on your profitability and your peace of mind. It leads to missed opportunities, overspending, and the dreaded scramble when tax deadlines loom. Many solopreneurs resort to elaborate spreadsheets or even multiple personal bank accounts, trying to create some semblance of order. A desperate attempt to duct tape a solution together when what they really need is a purpose-built system. Enter Relay Bank. It's an online business banking platform built from the ground up with small businesses, and particularly solopreneurs, in mind. They understood the pain points because they designed their solution to directly address them. Think of it as the antithesis of your old-school bank, nimble, digital-first, and incredibly intuitive. So, how exactly are solopreneurs leveraging Relay to transform their financial lives? It boils down to a few key areas that tackle the biggest headaches: unparalleled cash flow visibility, seamless expense management, simplified tax prep, and an overall reduction in financial stress. Let's dive into the first, and arguably most impactful, feature: the power of multiple checking accounts. Imagine having up to 20 individual checking accounts, all under one business profile, and all with no monthly fees. For solopreneurs, this is revolutionary. If you've ever heard of the Profit First methodology by Mike Michalowicz, where you allocate percentages of your income to different envelopes like profit, owner's pay, taxes, and operating expenses, Relay is practically designed for it. Instead of one giant, muddled account, you can create a dedicated account for each of these categories. As income comes in, you can easily and instantly transfer predetermined percentages to your profit account, your tax savings account, your owner's pay account, and your various operating expense accounts, e.g., marketing, software subscriptions, contractors. This isn't just about organization, it's about baked-in financial discipline. You can literally see how much money you have available for specific purposes at any given moment. No more guessing, no more accidentally spending your tax money, and no more surprises. It brings incredible clarity and control to your daily financial operations. Beyond the Profit First method, solopreneurs use these multiple accounts for various other reasons. Perhaps you run multiple distinct income streams or projects. You could have a separate account for each, making it easy to track profitability per venture. Or maybe you're saving for a specific large investment, like new equipment or a rebrand. A dedicated savings account within Relay keeps those funds ring-fenced and visible. This multi-account structure effectively creates a digital envelope system that is far more robust and automated than any spreadsheet could ever be. Next up is streamlined expense management. One of the biggest time sinks for solopreneurs is tracking business expenses. We've all been there, a pile of receipts, trying to remember what that random coffee shop charge was for, or hunting down an invoice from months ago. Relay makes this dramatically simpler. Firstly, they offer both physical and virtual debit cards. You can issue multiple virtual cards, each tied to a specific checking account. Imagine having a software subscriptions virtual card or a marketing ads virtual card. Every transaction made with that card is automatically linked to its corresponding account, providing instant categorization. No more manual sorting. But it goes a step further. Relay has a robust receipt capture feature. When you make a purchase with a Relay card, you can often receive an SMS reminder to upload the receipt directly into the app. You can snap a picture, add notes, and link it to the transaction. This means no more shoeboxes full of crumpled receipts, and come tax time, all your expense documentation is neatly organized and readily available. They even clean up vendor names for easier tracking, transforming St*Bucks into Starbucks. This level of detail and automation is a huge win for saving time and ensuring accurate bookkeeping. Speaking of bookkeeping, seamless accounting integrations are another cornerstone of Relay's appeal. For solopreneurs, keeping accurate books is crucial, but it often feels like a separate, daunting job. Relay directly integrates with popular accounting software like QuickBooks Online and Xero. This isn't just a basic connection, it's a deep, reliable sync. Transaction data, including the detailed expense information you've added, flows directly from Relay into your accounting software. This eliminates the need for manual data entry, reduces errors, and makes reconciliation significantly faster. Your bookkeeper, if you have one, or your future self, if you're doing your own books, will thank you. The real-time data flow means you always have an up-to-date picture of your financial health, making it easier to make informed business decisions. No more waiting until month end to see where you stand. Beyond the day-to-day, Relay also tackles the long-standing dread of tax preparation. Because your income and expenses are meticulously categorized across multiple accounts and transactions are linked with receipts, tax season becomes significantly less painful. Your tax savings account acts as a powerful visual reminder and a dedicated fund, so you're never caught off guard when quarterly estimated taxes are due. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.